Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the chapter number 7, that is cell structure and function. Okay. See, group of cells makes a tissue. Okay. Group of tissues performing the same functions make an organ. Many organs performing together makes an organ system. Okay. Now what is cell? That is the structural and functional unit of an organism is been termed as cell. Okay. Now the further discovery, we'll talk about the further discovery of the cell. That is, in 1665 Robert Hooke, he observed the primitive, that is the under the cork under the slide, and then he named it as cell. Now then further we'll discuss that how the variation in the cell number comes. Okay. See, variation in cell number means when a cell is made up of different number of cells. Okay. Like see, unicellular, uni means one. Okay. Cellular means cells. So when organism made up of single cell, that is been termed as unicellular. When organisms are made up of many cells, when the organism is made up of many cells, they have been termed as multicellular. Then further in this chapter, what we are going to discuss is the variation in the cell shape and size. See, cell becomes specialized to perform the specific function. Okay. To perform the specific function, they have to be specialized, right? And they exist in different shapes, different sizes, right? They can be disc shaped, they can be polygonal, they can be branched, they can be even without any fixed shape, that is like amoeba. Okay. Now the structure of the cell. Cell has both living and non-living part. Okay. Living part present in the cell have definite shape, they have definite structure, they have definite functions to perform. Okay. They have been termed as organelles. Now further we are going to discuss the plant cell and animal cell, that how plant cell is different from the animal cell. This is plant cell and this is animal cell. Okay. When it comes to organelles, organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. They have been organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm and they have different functions to perform. Okay. Cell membrane, so you could see the black bold line here, and inside that there is a thin black line. Okay, so that is cell membrane. That is a cell which has been covered by a thin membrane or thin covering is termed as cell membrane. And the cell wall, you could see the black bold line, black bold covering here, outline. So that has been termed as cell wall. You could see that cell wall is absent in the plant animal cell, right? So cell wall is only present in the plant cell, as the plant cell does not have any skeletal structure. Okay, so it protects them. So yes, cell wall is only present in the plant cell, unlike the animal cell. Now nucleus, you could see this is the nucleus present here as well. Okay, so nucleus has been nucleus, it performs it manages and it controls the major functions of the cell. Thus it has been referred as the brain of the cell. Okay. Then nucleus is surrounded by a membrane that is called nuclear membrane or nucleoplasm, that is present inside the nucleus. So you could see this is nucleoplasm, right? Now the nucleoplasm contains the thread-like substances that are chromosomes. Okay. They contains the thread-like structure. Then now you can see the structure of the nucleus here. This is nucleus membrane. Okay, this is nucleus, these are chromosome, the thread-like structure, and this is called nucleoplasm. Yeah. So further what we are going to discuss in this whole chapter is all about prokaryotic, how prokaryotic cells are different from eukaryotic cells. So pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Similarly, U means true and karyon means nucleus. So prokaryotic cells, they lack the well defined membrane bounded nucleus. They lack the well defined membrane bounded nucleus. But when it comes to eukaryotic cell, these cells have the well defined membrane bounded nucleus, right? So like for example, prokaryotic cell may be blue green algae, a eukaryotic cell may be plants and animals. They all have the eukaryotic cell present in them. Then we'll further discuss about the cell division and the growth. See, cell goes under the ingestive, digestive, all these steps, and then grows in a particular and specific sizes. After growing at a specific size, it starts dividing. Okay, the parent cell, the nucleus of it starts dividing into two, right? Then you could see the cytoplasm dividing here, right? And then it has been, the final result is two daughter cells are been formed. Okay, so parent cells, the nucleus starts dividing, and then final result would be the two different daughter cell would be exactly similar to the parent cell. So this is how the cell division and the growth goes on. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Please go through the video